What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 balding clippers in 2024. We've put these models through the ringer, so you don't have to waste time scrolling through endless reviews or comparing specs. Say goodbye to the hassle of booking barber appointments and the rising costs of getting a haircut. No more consumer-grade clippers you can get at the various marts? So stick with us to the end to discover the perfect clipper for that bald look you're aiming for. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button below. And for the latest prices and more details on these products, hit up the links in the description. Now, let's dive right in. The Remington Shortcut Pro is a game changer for all the DIY barbers out there who value speed in their grooming routine. It's the best clipper for buzz cuts. It's all about comfort and efficiency with its ergonomic, compact design that fits right in your palm. Now, here's the kicker. It boasts an oversized stainless steel blade that's more than 50% larger than what you'd find on standard clippers, speeding up your shaving routine significantly. What's really cool about the Shortcut Pro is its curved, super wide blade that molds perfectly to your head's shape, making it a breeze to get those hard-to-reach spots at the back of your head. Plus, weighing in at just 180 grams, this lightweight clipper makes maneuvering super easy, allowing for a quick, comfortable shave every time. Isn't that something? Now let's talk about precision. The Remington Shortcut Pro works great without the cuts or bites that other bald clippers may create on your skin. Yet, it offers a cutting length of 0.4 millimeter, or a 3-day growth, without any guard. That means that it's not going to give you a completely bald look unless you use another head shaver like the Andis Profoil or a straight razor to finish. In terms of maintenance, the HC4250 is fully waterproof and washable, which simplifies cleaning. Plus, Remington throws in a bottle of oil to keep the blades in top shape. Battery life is decent with 40 minutes of runtime per charge and a handy 5-minute quick charge feature that's perfect for those last-minute trims. It's also cordless, but can be used with a cord thanks to the generously long included cable. On the downside, the Shortcut Pro might fall slightly short if you're looking for a super close shave or fading. Unfortunately, it's difficult to fade with the Shortcut Pro blades as it's curved, but it's perfect for a buzz cut. However, for those who favor a semi-bald look, speed, and convenience without skin irritation, this clipper holds its ground admirably. If you are skilled with clippers and know what you're doing when cutting with surgical blades, the Andis Fade Master is your best clipper for bald fades and balding too. They are A1 when it comes to getting the line out on bald fades. No wonder I see all these reviews, people cutting themselves, as Andis Professional Fade Master has the sharpest and most aggressive carbon steel blades in our lineup, outperforming others like the Wahl Professional 5 Stars and Oster Fast Feed with ease. The blade on this beast is equal to a 5-0 blade or surgical blade. It easily cuts through coarse, thick, heavy hair and takes half the time. I rarely have to go over section more than once. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The Fade Master doesn't come zero-gapped as you might expect and requires some fine-tuning right out of the box. Zero-gapping this clipper can be a bit tricky and it tends to lose alignment, requiring frequent adjustments, so it's not the best pick for beginners. This was the main reason not choosing the Fade Master to rank number 1 in this list. Another point to note is its tendency to heat up quickly. The metal body doesn't help. It does get hot after 30 to 45 minutes. I would guess if you needed to go longer than 45 minutes, you may have to let these rest up a bit for 5 minutes. Despite these quirks, the heft and build quality of the Fade Master feel premium in hand, like a true professional tool, not a flimsy gadget. It's incredibly versatile, but remember, it's really suited for those who know their way around a clipper. If you're aiming for a sleek Jason Statham or next day look without spending a fortune, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper is a solid choice. Wahl has been a trusted name in the barbering industry for over a century, known for clippers that deliver long-lasting performance without frequent repairs. This particular model is tailored for balding, offering precision and durability. Initially, I was skeptical about the Wahl 5-Star due to reviews mentioning cuts and burns. However, I've found that these issues often stem from not adjusting the blades properly or not maintaining the correct angle during use, both critical for avoiding injury. This clipper is labeled for professional use only, and rightly so. It requires some practice to handle its sharp, slightly heavy build effectively. This model is zero-gapped right out of the box, equipped with zero-overlap surgical blades and a powerful 5,000-plus electromagnetic motor, slicing through even the thickest hair effortlessly. It leaves just enough stubble to discern your hairline, thanks to Wahl's shortest 6x0 blade that trims to about 0.2 millimeter, simulating one-day hair growth. In comparison, my previously zero-gapped Wahl Magic Clip doesn't achieve quite as close a cut, though it can handle wet hair, unlike the balding clipper. The clipper itself, while made of plastic, feels robust and fits comfortably in hand. It features an 8 feet power cord, thicker and longer than many competitors, enhancing its usability. Despite the strong motor, the clipper doesn't overheat, staying cool during a full 35 to 40-minute shave. They last about 3 years before the blades need to be replaced. You can tell they need to be replaced by hair looking fuzzy a week or so after a cut, or by any pulling when you cut your hair. To lengthen the time your blades will stay sharp, do your best to cut your hair when it's freshly washed but totally dry for these clippers. Regular cleaning, oiling, and careful storage without bending the cord will ensure this clipper continues to provide close, clean shaves for years. If you're willing to invest in top-tier quality and performance, the Oster Professional Classic 76 should be your go-to clipper. The Classic 76 is the Cadillac of clippers and used by most barbers. These are the flagship of the Oster line for good reason. It's a tank. The 76 is very versatile, a damn good all-around clipper. I've had mine for 9 years now and haven't had to change the blade. It's totally worth the money. The unit itself comes with 2 interchangeable blades, a 1-inch and a 000 blade. If you are not ready to go completely bald, the 000 blade that comes with it will keep your hair low enough not to notice. If you wear a totally bald look, you will need to buy the quintuple blade separately. Blades range from around $20 to $50. The quintuple blade cuts hair to a length of 125 inch or 10 hours growth, while the triple blade provides a slightly longer cut at 150 inch or a 1-day growth. Unlike other clippers in this list, the Oster 76 features a motor-driven mechanism rather than a vibrating magnetic one, allowing it to cut quietly, uniformly, and smoothly without causing nicks or abrasions. Although it's a high-end, professional-grade tool, it's surprisingly beginner-friendly, more so than the Andis Fade Master or the Wahl 5-Star. They're amazingly powerful, so you may need to be careful with moles. But as far as those of us with some experience with clippers, you should be fine. It will cut any kind of hair, be it thick, tangled, or wet, without bogging down or stopping, without stalling or missing spots. Its sturdy power cord doesn't curl up, a common issue with cheaper models. Though the clippers are a bit heavy and might feel awkward at first, the performance makes up for it. They might be pricey, but you get what you pay for. In comparison, while Wahl clippers offer a decent haircut for about $40, and it's a pretty good bargain for everything it comes with, the Oster 76 gives you a more satisfying self-cut. They provide salon-quality results right at home. After using these clippers, you'll feel like you've just walked out of a professional barber shop. And now for our top pick, the Andis T-Outliner Trimmer. It's great whether you prefer an almost bald look or a baby-bottom smooth shave. This beast cuts through hair like a hot knife through butter, giving you one of the closest cuts possible, straight out of the box. After using it without any modifications, my head feels like it's only day 2 after a shave with a traditional cartridge razor. It's that close. And it runs quieter, smaller, and lighter than you'd expect. For those of you who want a completely bald look, zero-gapping the T-Outliner is a breeze. You can adjust it yourself following YouTube tutorials like those by Larry the Barberman, or use the Rich Barber zero-gapping tool for a quick fix. It will take you literally maybe minutes to adjust, zero gap, and attach the blade to the trimmer. This tool is a steal at $8 from local barber supplies or $19.99 on Amazon. I've tested others like the Wahl Professional 8110 and the Wahl Detailer Rotary Motor Trimmer. None could match the Andis for a clean bald shave right off the bat. The Wahl Detailer came close, but still needed multiple passes to get it right. With the Andis T-Outliner, one pass, a few minutes, and you're done. This trimmer comes with an 8-foot cord and a high-torque rotary motor, ensuring professional-grade performance at home with minimal noise. It features diamond-finished T-blades with 0 overlaps for a super close, clean shave without irritation or razor bumps, ideal for sensitive skin and particularly great for African-American hair. The carbon T-blades are built to last, staying sharp longer than other blades. Just remember to replace the blades every 2 years. Stick with only official Andis blades for about $18 to ensure top performance. Don't waste time resharpening old blades. They never quite cut the same. Just a heads up, this trimmer is strictly for dry use and best for shorter hair. It heats up a bit after 20 to 25 minutes, so keep that session quick and be careful not to drop it. Those blades are sharp but delicate. If you wear a bald look, buy the Andis T outliner and you'll never look back. You can't beat the closeness that you are getting for this price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and barber tips. Catch you in the next one.